Hello listener. Today we are going to talk about how you can learn more English words easily. When you know more words, you can understand and speak English confidently. So let's get started. First, try to learn at least 5 new words every day. You can find new words in books, movies, or even online. When you learn a new words, don't just remember it. Try to make a sentences with this word. For example, if you learn a new word, beautiful, you can say, today the sky looks beautiful. This will help you remember this word is better. Second, read as much as possible. Books, newspaper, or blog is great to learn for new words. When you see a word you don't know, just underline it and check its meaning. Try to understand how it is used in the sentences. For example, if you read, the rabbit is very fast, you will understand that fast means quick. You can use a dictionary app. There are so many apps that can help you to find its meaning and hear the correct pronunciation of words. Listening to the pronunciation will help you say the word correctly. Next, practice using the word. Just writing them down is not enough. Try to use new words when you talk to your friend or you are writing something. The more you use a word, the easier it will be to remember. And finally, don't worry about mistakes. Sometimes you might use a word in the wrong way, and that's okay. Mistakes will help you learn. Just keep practicing. You will get better day by day. So remember these simple tips. Learn a few new words every day. Read a lot. Use a dictionary and practice speaking. If you're doing this every day, your vocabulary will grow and soon you will be able to speak English more easily. Keep learning. Don't give up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, share it with your friend who want to learn English, and comment below how much new vocabulary you try to learn every day. Thanks for today. I will see you in the next video.